Hey, Ken Eagle here with Hall Technologies. We're at Infocom 2023 in Orlando, and we're showcasing our technology room kit called the TRK1 for short. I've got that on the table here beside me. What the technology room kit is it's three components that come together as one order. So you have a keypad to control the room. You have an input panel to allow all your sources to connect in easily, and then sitting down here on the bottom, this box is the processor. This processes the switching of all the audio and video. You've also got a USB hub built into this. You've got inputs and outputs for all your control for network, and the amplifier for audio is built into here. That's both 8 ohm or 70 volt you can select. So this becomes part of our training room or corporate room and our education classroom package. So this is a kit that just simplifies and makes for a nice, easy installation and gives you all the pieces you need to get up and running. Now, what I suggest from Hall Technologies is that you pair this particular kit with some more of the solutions from Hall, like our PTZ camera or our ePTZ cameras. You can even use our video bar. All the cables that Hall makes are designed to work directly with the system. Our microphones, even our on-wall, like you see here, and our in-ceiling speakers can all be packaged together so you can use Hall as one name to get an entire solution. Even our interactive flat panels, and I encourage you to check out our other videos on the new interactive flat panels that we've just launched here at Infocom this year. So again, that's halltech.av.com is the website. You can learn more about the technology room kit and all the room accessories that we sell with that kit to give you one complete solution.